Who's got 12? Even 12 right there. 1225. 1225. I got 1200 over here. Who's got 1225? Thank you. 1250. Who's got 1250? 1250 over here. 1275. Over there. 1300. 1300. Done. 1325 over here. 1350. Thank you. 1375. Thank you very much. 14. Thank you. 1425 is like April with that. 1425. Do I see 1450? 1450. 1450. Tim Krause representing the OC. 1450. Going 1450. I'll get 1450. 1475. 1475. Thank you. We got 1500. Thank you. $1,500. That's a one followed by a comma 5, 2 zeros. Who's got 1525? 1525. Going once. Thank you. 1550 over here. We've got 1575. Tim Krause. 1575. 1575. That's a lot of Tim Krause signs in the crowd. 1575 going once. I'm sorry? $1,600 over here. 1625. Back to you, ma'am. 1625 is her bid. Who's got 1650? You want to take it to 17? Is that what I heard? Done. $1,700. Do I see 1725? 1725, 1750, 1725. Do you have 1750? Feel free to participate. Tim Krause, 17. Do you have 1750? Yeah, you want $1,800. 1,850. 1,850 is your bid. $2,000. Now we're getting some prime real estate. You haven't even gotten to John Francisco's jersey yet. $1,800. I'm sorry? Oh, that's right. It was 2,000. I apologize. I don't want to upset Mary Kay Ash Foundation. 2025. Does everybody have 2025? I'm sorry. Does this include the socks? Absolutely. Absolutely the socks! You know, Brad Mahalka doing a game you sick.
Bobby was scary when he said that, son.
Oh, okay. You want to do that then. $2,000 and you get the socks. Going once. Oh! No, the cool thing was the guy asked that question. What do you say? A date? Where are we going? Boston's is a good idea. What do you say?
All right.
Done deal! Date in Boston, 2,000. Do I think 2025? Going once. Yes, we do. 2025. That's a 2050 right over there. As she confidently waves next to her husband, I'm assuming. 2020. Who got 2075? 2075. You get the jersey.